Greetings! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to share 5 effective ways to learn a new language. Whether you're planning a trip or expanding your horizons, these tips will pave the path to language proficiency. Number 1. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with the language you want to learn. Watch movies, listen to music, and follow podcasts in that language. The more exposure you get, the quicker you'll pick up the nuances. Next up, language apps and online courses. There are fantastic language learning apps that gamify the process, making it enjoyable and convenient. Choose from a variety of online courses tailored to your learning style. For point 3, practice speaking with native speakers. Join language exchange sessions or find language partners online. Conversing with native speakers enhances your pronunciation and fluency. Fourth on our list, flashcards and vocabulary building. Create your own flashcards or use language apps to reinforce new words. Associating words with images aids memory retention. Lastly, set goals and be consistent. Determine what you want to achieve and break it down into manageable milestones. Consistency is key, so practice regularly to see progress. Congratulations! You now have 5 effective ways to learn a new language. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a race. Embrace every step and celebrate your achievements along the way. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Happy language learning!